It's your girl Stiff Breast and I'm back with another video. Guys, in any time what kind of video girl job today? Well guys, today I'm going to touch a little part of my rough time then when I go through in a life. The rough time and my done time and my most time I down and the rough time. Basically I'm not gonna be long, so I'll just touch some main part side way. The rough time then when I go through. So guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe and tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. So yes guys, I know say when we are grow up, you know say some of my time really rough. Me I tell about rough time, When remember one night time my auntie a cook. And my auntie cookie yam and we fry up his scallion. Guys, some of the time we could even wait tell even that fry or hungry or liquid. We have to just eat the dumpling and the yam same way. Sometimes dumpling and butter. What nice so. Them the time them I tell you guys we can't even buy a pound of chicken back much less a just piece of scallion we can't find. Enough time, guys, me tell you me have an uncle who live side that way. Enough time me thief him back him off, he sell him for buy butter. When we are cook like a piece of yam or cook like a dumpling. Me have to thief me uncle back them, thief he back them and go sell them washer and buy 2 cut of butter or 1 cut of butter for eat with piece of yam or 2 dumpling. The time they know we can't, me mean no guys. I tell you say, some of the time say most time on Friday me have to top from school to go eat up yam. My grandfather yam. Me can't go to school on Friday. No Friday me not go to school. Cause me have to eat up yam them for my grandfather. Me have to look hood. You have to go look hood. Water, the drum have to full before Sunday, say Friday and Saturday are working day, Them the time that me I tell us say work, we have to work. And nobody feel like say you can't go to school on Friday if my grandfather tell us say if you go to school and him have to make you if you not dig no yam that day Friday day, well fine. You can go if you have your lunch money. Getting back to the lunch money. Remember say enough time me go to school and not even lunch money me not have. Sometimes me have to go, sometimes me sound like infant pitney when me know me have to go sit on side of them and take out little lunch out of feed them cause me not have no lunch. My mother not send no lunch for me. So me have to eat out some of them or sometimes me have to drink little water, put on made pan the decks until we gone back. Because my grandmother always give me, me tell her what me get. Me get me little pudding most time a morning time. Or pudding and me little black tea. But most time me go to school, me not even only when me brush my teeth at that. Then you have a little money, say I got to you buy one little snacks or something. Onion dicks and bag juice till break time and whatever. So them they basically them they did it really rough. And me I tell you guys another thing. When me I got high school, me did live with my guidance counselor when me use when me did a primary junior. Me live with the guidance counselor for 2 years. And me I tell her say, my lunch money, remember say them take me, So say your parents have to find lunch money and give me. I say, most time me call my father and say, me go want my lunch money if you go to school, So he say, Camille, meet me at Juicy B Super Plus Thursday or Wednesday or one of them day. Them say, alright daddy. When me go now, did the guys and did they wait, No father me can't see. No father me can't see, I wait for lunch money, no father. Guys not even know. Me say if you cut me no bleed. If you know say you live with somebody them and take care of them and provide lunch, shelter, everything, and just to get lunch money for your parents, them you know see them. You know much time me go to school, I want a cup of soup me can buy. High school. Sometimes if I know a lady when me live with, me not have nothing. Me not eat nothing same way. So basically somebody my school days them did kinda rough for me. It did rough. Not all true guys, but it did rough. Because if you go primary school, And when you go most of the time for my brother for me lunch, no lunch at all. Him alone have his film lunch. Me not have no lunch, you know. Me not have no lunch. But you know, say me still there at school same way. Me still did it. More time I water me drink me not a water or me take out some of the infant pit them lunch when me used to run on my way. Them the time them me I tell us say rough. Never easy. It never easy. Never easy. And you, most time me feel down and me really feel down. The reason why me feel down, tough days them. My tough days them. Tough days. How much time me and my cousin them we go reel some coconut tree and hungry and liquid. We go reel some coconut tree and all we want guinea tree in a yard. Them a say them a go sell it. We just tear down it some of limb them and gone down the river gone name them and something. Cause we hungry you know. Hungry you know. We just tear them off and something and just we go do that. So guys, me I tell you say it never really that you never really go see my parents them rich and all my family rich and them always try fi them always a try but you know really hot really did it like that really did it. Me always tell myself say me don't want come out to come help them, help my family them, help my friend them. Like honestly, I always tell myself that I really want to help my family because I really want help. Yeah, we have to help ourselves before we can help others. Yes, we have to do that. We have to help ourselves first. Because I know say you're rough. And them the days if you know say chicken guys I'm not talking about chicken back. Chicken back. Chicken back some of the time not even chicken back we can't buy no. Not even chicken back can buy for we yard. In most the thing what me know say me know I like we fry up like we fry up skeleton and that I most the thing. Most the thing, you know, somebody tell you don't want a piece of chicken. And no, then they tell you want a piece of chicken and no, me no want chicken for them, me no want no chicken for them. But that's how life go. Me still not give up. Me not give up. No matter the rough times when me go through, me not give up. Enough time me feel down, and me say me feel down. Me really feel down. Me still not give up. Don't like sometimes. Right now me I talk to you guys. Me feel me not even me I feel say oh me feel so like my body just not feel good. Me just feel down. But best thing when me see what me have to go do right now, so me have it, I just go down on my knee and pray. Go down on my knee. I mean some rough times there. Yeah, it did rough for me the time that me I go primary. Rough. Because if you know say if you have a youth are going to primary school and you're rough fee, you know, if you tell us say not easy, never easy. But yet still, we never give up. So guys, if you want part 2 of this video, just comment. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. But the Stiff Breast channel, I'm out.